Yep, ready. These are the north elevators at Rose Hospital.
Whoops,
Sorry.
Elevator A.
Elevator A has arrived.
Sad thing is they used to have like vectors and stuff here too.
Interesting. Yeah, they did. That was in the medical building, or in like the office building.
Yeah.
So, I've noticed that most of these elevators say no access to third floor.
I think that's the maternity unit.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's like, how do you get there then?
Some special entrance.
And when I was born here, all these elevators were
I bet. Yeah, I'm sure. Back in 90s. What was that? 99. Anyway.